Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable or disable Microsoft Store updates on your Windows device. If you've ever wanted more control over when your apps update, or you want to stop updates from automatically happening, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. First, let's open the Microsoft Store itself. Go ahead and click on the Start menu and type Microsoft Store. Once it's open, you'll want to click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the Store window. Now click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings section, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called App Updates. To enable automatic updates, make sure the switch next to Update Apps Automatically is turned on. This will ensure that all apps you've downloaded from the Microsoft Store will be updated automatically in the background. On the other hand, if you want to disable these updates and manually control when you want to update your apps, simply turn off the toggle. This means you'll need to check for updates yourself, which might be useful if you want to avoid any unexpected app restarts or updates during your work. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable automatic updates for Microsoft Store apps and how to manually check for updates. It's a pretty simple process once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.